What's up, my beauties? Welcome back to another edition of Quarantine Tutorials. My name is Kecia Holden. I'm here to get you through your quarantine with just a few makeup tips and tricks. So today's look is a little different for us, but I hope you enjoy it. It's something I was just feeling. I had it in my head and it came out better than I could have expected. So I'm into it. If you're liking what you see and you want some more makeup tips and tricks, or you like random singing, or you like worship videos, go below, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. You'll be updated when I post videos and content and all that good stuff. We're having fun over here and we're worshiping the Lord in lashes. If you like what you see and you want to learn how to get this look, stay tuned. All right, let's get started. I just recently received this product in the mail and it's called the No Sebum Mineral Powder. I'm a little oilier and it's getting warmer. I wanted to try something different today. It's supposed to help alleviate oil residue. And so I'm gonna put some of this in my T-zone area. I don't wanna do too much because I wanna prevent flashback in case I take pictures, but I definitely want to put this all in my T-zone, in the areas where I get the oiliest, but I'm putting it on bare skin. Like, I haven't done my primer yet, but I want to put this all in my T-zone area. I want to see how, if I put it on bare skin and then put my foundation on, I want to see how that works. But here's the product. As you know, I'm a beauty advisor for Beauty Tap. So if you click the link below, set up your profile and follow me, you'll see that in one of my favorite things lists, because I do have one of those. So next, I'm gonna do my Fenty primer, and this one is the True Matte Pro Filt'r primer. I'm just gonna take a couple of pumps and then massage that in. I like the way this smells and the way it feels. It doesn't feel like a matte primer, if that makes sense. Like most people who do matte primers, it feels like silicone-y. It's just not a really good feeling, and it just kind of slides all over the face, where this feels more like a light moisturizer. So I like this a lot. So next we're doing Corrector, and we're gonna put some in the eye area and around the mouth, of course, and let us blend. Okay, now it's time for our flower. I just want to set that corrector. Next, with my girl Riri again, this is the Fenty Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. I think I just want to go with a more medium finish again today, because my skin has been looking right. Yes, and you'll see in my skincare video, I'm gonna give you the morning routine and the night routine all in one beautiful, beauteous video. So Proof It, my secret weapon to my brows. And speaking of this, you know I always get this from Ulta. I just got the notification that Ulta is doing curbside service in my area. That was the worst thing they could have told me, because now I'm gonna be like doing beauty drive-bys, honey. Because I'm running out of this, and there's a few other things that I want to grab that I don't want to wait on. And excuse that, that's my work phone. All right, concealer. We're doing the e.l.f. move. I'm liking not doing so much concealer, like the full V. I'm liking not doing that. So that's what we're gonna rock with on today, because that's my business. Thanks, Tabitha Brown, for that. And I gotta say, so far I like the powder and the way it looks. I like it, because I already look flawless, so I'm here for it. I look really, I don't know if you could tell, in this mirror, honey. Oh, even in the monitor, mother is flawless. Like, my skin looks incredible. Wow. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what it is, but I am like just this is beat with a trinity, okay? We haven't even done anything yet. But I'm like, shooken. Fenty, use your setting powder. Mine is in honey. If you are chocolate, close to my complexion, and you want kind of like a golden, creamy golden look underneath your eyes, which I recommend. All right, I shall do my eyebrows off camera and I will be right back. All right, so we're back, brows are on. I'm gonna go ahead and do some bronzer. And of course I'm using my prime bronzer, but I just wanna add just a little bit of a contour in my cheeks. We're gonna do that just at like the temple. And I'm gonna just finish my brow area. All right, so next I'm going to use my paint pot from MAC. This one is called Constructivist. It looks like that. So using a huge fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into my Selena palette because I just feel like I haven't been able to use it enough since I've gotten it. So I'm gonna go into this color here, like this mustardy brown color, and that's gonna be my transition color. I'm gonna go right on top of that Constructivist that I just put down, and then concentrate that color right on the outer corner. And then with my YSL eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go into this color up top. And I'm sorry that I'm not giving you the names. There's no direction on where the colors are. So yeah, I can't tell you what name it is. I'm going to take that color and go right here into the corner of my crease. So if you divide your eye in threes, 1, 2, 3, just that, like the outer third of your eye. And while you're there with that brush, go ahead, dip back into that brown color and go right into your lower lash line. Get that over with right now. And then I just got this little bummy brush, whatever, but that's gonna take care of this dark brown color here. Go in the outer corner and up into your crease. So again, create that V and only do one dip at a time. Don't try to get a lot on there to try to see the color. Go little at a time because then it'll make it easier to blend. Otherwise, you're just gonna have a glob of mess and that's gonna make it harder to blend. So I'm gonna leave it where it is right now and then concentrate that color on my lower lash line, but just the outer part of my lower lash line. So then I have just a V of color. And then when you do that, go back and blend it out. And next, I'm gonna go into this color here. I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. It looks like that. And little by little, I'm gonna pack that onto my lid and I'm gonna meet that color on the end. Go right up to your crease. And pack that color on. And then take your fluffy brush and blend your crease out. And all you're doing is just blending out those edges. And I want to do a little something different. I'm gonna take this super pink color here and with the tiniest of tiniest brushes, I'm gonna go in right here into my inner corner. Next, I'm just gonna add a little brown eyeliner into my waterline. Next, I'm gonna add my black liquid eyeliner. This one is from e.l.f. And I got the outline for my wing. Now from the inner corner to the outer corner, define my lash line a bit more and meet that outline. See how we did that? So it's like all open space here, open space there. And once you have your liner where you want it, fill it in. And I'm gonna add my lashes and I'll be right back. All right, my lashes are on. We're gonna go and do some blush now. I'm gonna use this one by MAC called Gleeful. And I just feel like it's gonna bring out the pink in my eyes, like that pink in the inner corner is gonna bring that out without being too flashy. Alrighty then. And I think I need like a little bit of something in my brow because with all these dark colors, it's kind of disappearing. I'm going to take this color here, but I'm gonna put that right in my brow bone. Yeah, that just changed the game. I like that. And for lips, make sure you have on your lip balm, chapstick, something hydrating for the lip. We're gonna do a matte lip today. And I'm gonna take my chestnut lip liner by MAC. And now smoke that color out just a bit. And by that, I mean blot your lips. I'm not rubbing. When you see me do that, I'm not rubbing. Blot. So basically say the word blot over exaggerated. So blot. And it's all kind of smoking out together. That's what I want. And then I'm gonna take the ColourPop collection. This is the Ellarie collection. And this one is called Henneways. Like henneways. And I'm gonna put that on. It's a matte brown, which is different. You can do whatever color you want. I am really feeling this look. I really am. I don't even know what to call this video. I'm gonna think of something, but from my skin to this look, I'm like shooketh, and maybe that's what I'll call it. I'm shooketh because there's no oil peeking through my face right now. And usually by now, the oil will be popping all the way through. All the way. I would have my blotting sheets right next to me, be like, I'm into it. I hope you get into it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that you joined me today. I hope that you're having a wonderful day like I am. And you know the deal, you know the routine. Like, subscribe, share. You know you have a friend that need help with her brows. Stop talking about her, just send her my video. And y'all subscribe, both of y'all subscribe, okay? Stop talking about her. So like my video, share, get the book. I am the author of Beauty Basics 101, The Beginner's Guide to Skincare and Makeup. And I would love to be your beauty advisor with beauty tips. You can set up your own profile and then follow me, and I'll be able to make suggestions to get your skin looking right so you can be shooketh like me. Otherwise, I hope you have an incredible day and I will see you next time. Bye.